In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to change Brightspeed Wi-Fi password. So the first step is to connect a device, such as a computer or tablet, to the internet through your Brightspeed Wi-Fi or using an Ethernet cable connected to your modem. Now simply open a web browser and type this address here. After that, you just have to simply log in into your admin account, and then here you're gonna have to go to wireless setup, and then from here what you're gonna have to do is simply go to wireless security, and then you'll be able to basically change the type and also change the password from here. So as you can see, you have the security key. You can simply select use custom security key passphrase, and then you'll be able to simply enter it, the new one, and then simply click on apply, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.